Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons or social media menu in your WordPress web page. Let me show you how it looks like. Here is a website. You can see here the social media icons. Here is a website. You can see here the social media icons. So if you want to display the social media icon on your web pages, then you will have to log in your WordPress first. In the left menu, you will find appearance option, and then in appearance you have to click the menu option. In the menu option, actually there are a number of ways to do this job. You may use some plugin, you may use some widgets, but in my case my theme allow me to do so. So look at there, I have 4 menus and the fourth one is social media links menu. In this section you can see I have 3 social media icon. If you want to edit this menu, you have to select this drop down button. Here you will find a URL and the name of this social media. Here will be your Facebook page link, and here you have to put the social media. My theme allow me to insert 3 social media, so I have did so. If you want to remove some, you have to remove from this button. On another option, manage locations. In manage locations, my theme allow me to show in 2 locations, one primary menu and one location is for social links menu. Let me show you on the web page. Here you can see this is the primary menu and this is the social menu. If I change to this to select menu and then save it, let me refresh this page, can notice that there is no menu here now. And if you want, and if you select this and save this, you can notice that social media icons are here now. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.